Hello, in front of me I've got DarkBeacon 87 Flux. In this video I'll show you device preview. The DarkBeacon Flux 87 is high-performance 10 keyless gaming keyboard engineered for competitive players who demand instantaneous response time and pixel-perfect precision. By ditching traditional mechanical contacts in favor of cutting-edge Hall effect magnetic technology, the Flux 87 bridges the gap between hardware and pure reflex. At the heart of the Flux 87 are the DB neon red HE magnetic switches. Because these switches rely only on magnetic fields rather than physical metal leaves to register a keystroke, they offer completely frictionless linear press and massive 100 million click lifespan. Combined with blistering 8000 Hz polling rate and 0.125 millisecond latency, your inputs are beamed to your PC practically at speed of thought. The dedicated DarkBeacon software unlocks unparalleled customization. You can adjust actuation, rapid trigger, and advanced gaming tech. Take a look at the specification of this keyboard. The form factor is 87 keys. Connectivity is via cable, and the polling rate is 8000 Hz. Response latency 0.125 milliseconds. Switch types: DB neon red Hall effect magnetic switches, and switch characteristic linear pre-looped 100 million click lifespan. The keyboard does support dedicated up, rapid trigger, SOCD cleaning, and dynamic keystroke. Also, the keyboard does not support Bluetooth 2.4G, it can be only connected via cable, and it does support hot swap. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.